Hey guys, it's Ewan with the Air Zoo. I am by our FG-1 Corsair, a carrier-based fighter-bomber aircraft used primarily during World War II and the Korean War. As a bomber, the Corsair could approach targets in a steep dive, much like the SBD Dauntless or A1 Skyraider. And just like those aircraft, the Corsair had dive brakes used to slow and stabilize the aircraft during a steep dive. But the Corsair's dive brakes aren't as obvious when compared to the SBD Dauntless with its long perforated panels, or the A1 Skyraider with its large fuselage mounted brakes. The dive brakes on the Corsair were a little bit more subtle. In fact, they're fully deployed now. Can you see them? The Corsair's dive brakes are here, the landing gear doors. During a dive, the Corsair pilot could push the landing gear handle to the right and up, and this would lower the main gear doors, which would be used as the dive brake. Now, when this happened, the tail wheel would remain retracted. By lowering the gear, it allowed the Corsair to maintain a steep dive angle without excessive speed buildup. How cool is that?